Hello students, last class we discussed addition of matrices, scalar multiplication, and we know that for addition of two matrices exist different only if they have same order and corresponding elements are added or subtracted. Next, scalar multiplication. A is any matrix and K is any scalar, then Ka is obtained by multiplying each and every element by K. Okay, this is scalar multiplication class we discussed. Now today I will take matrix multiplication. Before starting the definition, we will take or consider example. Consider two persons, we take Ram and Ravi. Ram and Ravi. Here Ram wants to buy 5 pens, 10 storybooks. Ram wants to buy 5 pens, 10 storybooks. Ravi wants to buy 6 pens, 5 storybooks. Okay. Understood? Ram and Ravi are two friends. Okay. Ram wants to buy how many number of pens? 5 pens, 10 storybooks. Ravi wants to buy 6 pens, 5 storybooks. Okay. For purchasing pens and books, naturally we have to go shop. Okay. Both went to shop and asked the price of pen and storybooks. Ram and Ravi inquires about the pens and storybooks. For first shop, cost of each pen, 5 rupees. Okay. Next, cost of storybooks. 10 rupees. Okay. This is Ram and Ravi inquired the first shop. Second shop. For second shop, cost of each pen. Is 4 rupees. Cost of storybooks. Okay, 8 rupees. Next, Ram and Ravi decided to go in which shop so that he can save the money. Okay, very first step. Ravi, correct. The requirements for Ram, he requires 5 pen, 10 storybooks. I will take pens, one column, storybook, another column. Okay. Ram needed 5 pens, 10 storybooks. Similarly, Ravi needed 6 pens, 5 storybooks. This is the requirement of Ram and Ravi. Okay. Next, first shop he inquires both, and the shopkeeper told the rate. Cost of each pen is 5 rupees and storybook is 10 rupees. Okay. price of per piece. Price of per piece mentioned what? Pen 5 rupees and book is 10. Okay, this is the price of first shop. Then naturally, if he want to buy pen for first shopkeeper, will get, see, for Ram 5 pen, but cost of each pen is 5. Means what we are doing usually, cost of each pen multiplied by number of pens, then it is 5 into 5. Okay, now we got the value of what? Total money of pen where Ram buy. Next, for story books, how many number of story books he needed? 10. But cost of story book is what? 10. Means we can write this 10 into 10. Okay, this is the cost of 10 books. This is the cost of 5 pens. But we need here total cost of pen as well as story book. What we can do? Adding. Okay, this is for Ram. Okay, next Ravi. Calculation of Ravi. Okay, Ravi. How many number of pens he need? 6. Cost is 5. It's 6 into 5. Are you understood or not? Next, for story book. How many number of story book he need? 5. But cost of story book is 10. 5 into 10. Total cost we need. That is plus. We will get the answer. 25 plus 100. 30 plus 50. Okay. Then 25 plus 100. What will get it is? 125. This is 50. This is what? Money needed. This is money needed for first shop. Okay. Similarly, we can do for second shop. Okay. For Ram, Ravi. 5, 10, 6, 5. This is Ram, this is Ravi. Pen, story books. Okay, this is fixed. But he employs second shopkeeper. But cost of price is different. That is 4 and 8. That is, we'll get cost of each pen is 4 rupees. But how many number of pens we need? 5. Actually, what will get it is 5 into 4. This is the total cost of pen into cost. 5 into 4. Total cost of pen. Similarly, we need total cost of story books. 10 into 8. 10 into 8. Okay, next, Ravi. How many number of pens he need? 6. But cost is 4. 6 into 4 plus story books. 5 into 8. What we have done? Addition, because we need a total amount of pen as well as story books. We get the answer is 20 plus 8. 24 plus 40. We get 80 plus 20, 100. 24 plus 40, 60. This is the money needed for shopkeeper. Okay, this is the money needed for shopkeeper, second shopkeeper. Naturally, which one is cheaper? Is it first shopkeeper or second shopkeeper? Actually, usually will take or will buy second, because the cost of pen as well as story book is 100 rupees. Here 125, means here 25 rupees is more. Here 80, here 64. Actually we can buy in which shopkeeper? Second shopkeeper. Okay, and this one we call it as what? Matrix multiplication. Are you understood? This is how we can take the example. See what we have done here. Just concentrate here. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. And this is a matrix of order. How many number of rows? 2 rows. How many number of columns? 2 into 1. Means here, please concentrate here. The first matrix column. This is, of course, we say that it is row. This is column. This is row, and this is column. First matrix of the column is equal to second matrix of the row. First matrix of the column is equal to second matrix of the row. Then only which one is possible? Matrix multiplication is possible. Remember that. Then only matrix multiplication is possible. Again similarly here, see, this is a 2 cross 2. This is 2 into 1. We'll get, see, first matrix of the column, second matrix of the row are similar, then only matrix multiplication is exists. And of course resultant matrix, see, resultant matrix is 2 into 1, means first matrix of the row, second matrix of the column. Resultant matrix is 2 into 1. But remember that for matrix multiplication is exist if and only first matrix of the row, first matrix of the column is equal to second matrix of the row. First matrix of the column is equal to second matrix of the row. Then only possible for matrix multiplication. Okay, are you understood? Okay, and just concentrate here. What we have done? We have done the multiplication by taking row into columns. See, first row with the first column, second row with the first column. Means for matrix multiplication, we are taking the first matrix row, second matrix column. Okay, by taking this example, I think now you are understood how you can get the definition of matrix. Okay, now I will give the definition of matrix. General concept. If a matrix A is of order M cross P, if a matrix A is of order M cross P, and B is a matrix of order, P cross N. If a matrix A has M cross P, B has P cross N, means first matrix column, second matrix row are equal, then the matrix AB exists. Then the matrix AB exists if and only if first matrix of the column is equal to second matrix of the row, and the matrix AB, the new matrix multiplication AB exists M into N. Understood? M into N. This is the definition of matrix multiplication. Okay? If a matrix A is of order M cross P, and a matrix B is of order P cross N, then the matrix AB is of order M cross N exists if and only if the first matrix column is equal to the second matrix row. Okay, then only which one is possible? Matrix multiplication. Okay.